Good morning, students. Today we will start with our third part, of chapter number 5, and today we will start with Quit India movement. Now again, this Quit India movement was started by Gandhiji, isn't it? The Quit India movement was a civil disobedience movement launched in India in August 1942 in response to Gandhi's call for immediate independence. Okay, now Gandhi ji again wanted to call for an immediate independence. जैसे उन्होंने पहले resolution पास किया था for पूर्ण स्वराज. Okay, continuing that, he wanted an immediate independence. The All India Congress Committee proclaimed a mass protest demanding what Gandhiji called an orderly British withdrawal from India. Okay, Gandhiji wanted a total withdrawal. British का total withdrawal होना चाहिए from India. The call for determined but passive resistance appears in his call to do or die, issued on 9th August at the Gowalia Tank Maidan in Mumbai in the year 1942. Okay, so Gandhiji had passed this resolution of Quit India movement in the year 1942 at where? At Gowalia Tank Maidan in Mumbai. Now, who are the prominent leaders of this Quit India movement? Gandhi ji, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, then Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru and Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Now in the first phase, on 9th August, the eminent Congress leaders like Mahatma Gandhi and Maulana Abul Kalam Azad were arrested. जैसे ही उन्होंने Quit India movement start किया, on the very next day, that is on 9th August, the British people had arrested these leaders. गांधी जी वगैरह को उन्होंने arrest कर दिया. The All India Congress was declared unlawful associations and banned it. ब्रिटिशर्स ने ये कांग्रेस का जो कमिटी था ऑल इंडिया कांग्रेस, उनको पूरा एक अनलॉफुल एसोसिएशन डिक्लेयर किया कि ये लॉफुल नहीं है, ऐसा एसोसिएशन बनाना वैलिड नहीं है, तो उसके लिए उन्होंने बैन कर दिया. The assembly of public meetings were prohibited, isn't it? They stopped the meetings held by the Congress leaders या by गांधी जी. ब्रिटिशर्स ने मना कर दिया कि ऐसी सब मीटिंग्स वैलिड नहीं है, लॉ नहीं मानता है, so all these meetings वगैरह unlawful है, so they banned all these meetings. गांधी जी requested for non-violence movement once again in jail. Okay, गांधी जी ने वहीं से जेल में से ये non-violence movement start किया. Okay, so we can say Gandhi ji ka arrest. Okay, this resulted in what happened? The nationwide strike. सब जगह strikes वगैरह start हो गई थी because of Gandhi ji's arrest. So at that time Gandhi ji has said these words: "This is the last fight in my life, and therefore people of India should make all attempt to achieve independence." Okay, Gandhi ji ने वहीं से मैं बता रही हूँ कि from jail itself he had started this fight and he had said this लाइन्स कि दिस इज़ माई लास्ट फाइट, ये मेरी एक लास्ट फाइट है और सब इंडियंस को मेरा साथ देना ही है. ओके, गांधी जी इवन हैड गिवन द स्लोगन ऑफ डू और डाई, करो या मरो, इजंट इट, कि हमको अब आज़ादी लेकर ही रहनी है. सी है गांधी जी स्पीच ड्यूरिंग क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट. सी द नंबर ऑफ पीपल हैव गैदर्ड टू हियर गांधी जी स्पीच. नाउ स्ट्राइक्स ड्यूरिंग क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट. The workers, farmers, youth, students, teachers, businessmen and women all had participated in this movement. Workers went on strike in factories. Iron factories in Jamshedpur and cotton mills at Madras were on strike. Even the mills were being closed down. The iron factories at Jamshedpur, big factories, or even the cotton mills at Madras all went on strike. All the mills were being closed down. 1 lakh mill workers of 75 cotton mills in Ahmedabad went on strike for nearly 105 days. 3 or 4 months सब फैक्ट्रीज बंद थी और इतने सारे वर्कर्स स्ट्राइक पे चले गए, isn't it, from the cotton mills in Ahmedabad. Colleges and schools observed the strike. Even schools and colleges were being closed down for nearly 3.5 months. In Ahmedabad, markets were being closed. Just imagine इतना अपनी दुकानें बंद करना, such a big loss to the people. But people were ready to bear such type of losses. Okay, they were ready to give their hand to Gandhi ji. Now, harmful activities during Quit India movement. Now, anger against British government was being expressed from every corner of the country. सब जगह से लोग अपना anger दिखा ही रहे थे against the British people. You know, now, suppression against peaceful people by the Britishers led to violent situation as people not only ransacked the post offices, लोग इतने गुस्से में हो रहे थे कि they ransacked the post offices, telegram departments, police stations, railway stations, then buildings, schools and colleges, railway stations, railway lines, bridges, सब were looted and were set on fire. सब जगह पे वो लोग फायर कर दे रहे थे, जो भी गवर्नमेंट प्रॉपर्टीज थे वो जला दे रहे थे. In this, the railway incurred the heaviest losses. In many of the areas, people used bombs also. Okay, everything was like becoming the terrorist activities. Okay, now the British swiftly responded with the mass detentions. Okay, British धीरे धीरे ये सब बंद करना चाहती थी. You can see the rallies being taken out in the Quit India movement. Here also such big rallies are being taken out. Knockdown demonstrations during the Quit India movement. Now, opposition to Quit India movement. Hindu Mahasabha and the Communist Party of India strongly opposed the Quit India movement. Okay, एक हमारे यहाँ की हिंदू सभा and Communist Party, these two opposed the Quit India movement. The Muslim League opposed Quit India. Even the Muslim people did not, gave a helping hand to Gandhiji. Many Indian businessmen were profiting from heavy wartime and did not support Quit India. Okay, उस टाइम पे बहुत सारे बिजनेसमैन जिनको फ़ायदा हो रहा था वॉर टाइम के बाद, तो they were also not giving their hand for Quit India to Gandhiji. The nationalists had very little international support. Okay, जो यहाँ के लोग थे, नेशनलिस्ट पीपल थे, उनको बाहर के लोगों का कोई भी सपोर्ट नहीं मिल रहा था. एंड इवन देयर वाज लैक ऑफ लीडरशिप. Okay, there were no proper leaders to guide this Quit India movement. Why? Because the prominent leaders were in the jail. Now, failure of the government in crushing the struggle. The government tried to suppress the movement. The British government बहुत ज़्यादा try कर रही थी to stop this movement. You can see so many people had participated in this movement. More than 70,000 people were arrested. इतने सारे लोगों को arrest किया गया. 538 gunshots were fired. 1,028 people lost lives. 32 were injured. Students were injured in gunshots. The British people had started, killing the students also, or started killing the people with their gunshots. Political consciousness was created among people. अब धीरे धीरे consciousness जाग रहा था. The nationalist, feelings were coming up in the people. This movement gave a message that India cannot be enslaved anymore. अब ब्रिटिश लोगों को लग रहा था कि अब हम ज़्यादा टाइम तक इंडियंस को बंधक नहीं बना के रख सकते हैं. People now wanted full independence, isn't it? People were under the thing कि हमको अब कैसे भी करके आज़ादी तो लेकर ही रहनी है. The amendment for dominion status was almost invisible by this struggle. पहले जो उनका मोटिव था for dominion status, now that had turned up into for complete independence. अब उनको complete independence ही चाहिए था. After a struggle of 5 years, India achieved independence. Okay, अब इस struggle के बाद, okay, after this Quit India movement, okay, that had incurred in 1942. After this struggle, nearly after 5 years, India had achieved independence. We know in the year 1947. Okay, so very interesting topic that is being given on page number 33 of your textbook, page number 33 and page number 34. Okay, better go through it, read it, and this answer can come in 3 or 4 marks. A big answer it is, so go through it. Okay, thank you, beta. Have a nice day.